Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to cancel app subscriptions on iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open subscriptions on iPhone. Step 2. Cancel a subscription. Let us get started. Step 1. Open subscriptions on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the very top of the screen. Then select Subscriptions. Here, you will see all your active subscriptions. Step 2. Cancel a subscription. Tap the subscription you want to cancel. For example, the iCloud Plus. Tap it and you'll see an option to cancel subscription. Once canceled, you will still have access until the end of the current billing cycle, and then you won't be charged again. And that's it. You have successfully canceled your subscription. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown are based on publicly available iPhone settings and features. Please use caution when managing subscriptions or changing account settings. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model, iOS version, or the specific subscription service. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with or endorsed by Apple Incorporation and is not responsible for any issues or charges that may arise from following this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.